What is Google Flow? In the next 5 minutes, you will find out exactly what it does, who it is for, and whether it is worth your time or your money. Google Flow is Google's AI creative studio. It lets filmmakers, artists, and content creators generate and edit video, images, and custom tools using nothing but natural language. It lives at labs.google, and it is powered by three of Google's most advanced generative models working together in one place. This is not a standalone startup. Google Flow is built inside Google Labs, the same team that brought you Notebook LM and Project Astra. It is Google's answer to Runway, Sora, and the wave of AI video tools eating into professional creative workflows. The difference is it comes pre-wired to Google's entire model stack. Three models power everything inside Flow. VO 3.1 handles video generation, text to video, image to video, with native audio baked in. Gemini Omni is your creative planning agent. It thinks with you, not just for you. And Nano Banana handles image generation and precise editing control. Three specialist models, one unified interface. Let's start with what Flow is best known for. Video generation via VO 3.1. You describe what you want. VO builds it. Physics realistic motion up to 4K resolution, and here's the part that sets it apart from every competitor: native audio generated alongside the video, not added after. No separate audio step, no sync issues, it just ships with sound. The Gemini Omni agent is the part most tools skip. Before you generate anything, you plan. You tell Gemini what you are making, the mood, the style, the story arc, and it works with you iteratively. It is not an autocomplete. It holds context across your session, pushes back when something does not work, and generates reference material to ground your creative direction. After you generate, you refine, and this is where Flow separates from one-shot tools. Natural language editing means you type things like zoom in on the left side of frame, remove the background noise, match the color grade from the previous clip, and it executes complex iterative edits without touching a timeline. Here is the feature that most reviews gloss over: the custom tool builder. You describe a workflow you need, Flow builds it as a reusable tool, no code. 10 plus pre-built tools already ship in the library, then Storyboard Studio, type overlays, shader effects, video resizer, and the community has started adding their own. This turns Flow from a generation tool into a production platform. Google is not just shipping a tool. They launched the Flow Sessions program, an invite-only artist residency where filmmakers collaborate directly with Google's AI team. Short films like Until We Meet Again and Ocean View came out of it. Darren Aronofsky's production venture, Primordial Soup, is a partner. This is positioning Flow as serious filmmaking infrastructure, not a demo. Google Flow runs on a credit system across 4 tiers. Free gives you 50 credits per day, enough to experiment but not to produce. Google AI Plus at $4.99 a month gets you 200 monthly credits. Pro at $19.99 gets you 1,000. And Ultra, which runs from $99.99 to $199.99 a month, gives you 10,000 to 25,000 credits. Pro is the serious creator tier. Ultra is for studios. The free tier is real. 50 credits a day, refreshes every 24 hours. That is roughly 3 to 5 short video generations, depending on length and quality settings. Enough to learn the tool, test a concept, and decide if you want to commit to a paid plan. No credit card required to start. Google published a benchmark that is worth knowing on MovieGen Bench, the standard evaluation for text-to-video models. VO 3.1 rated #1 for overall preference against every competitor tested. Best text alignment, best visual quality, best audio-video synchronization, independent benchmarks, not just marketing copy. How does Flow stack up against Runway Gen 3 and Sora? Runway is more polished for professional video editing workflows and has a stronger track record with Hollywood productions. Sora from OpenAI generates longer clips, but neither integrates a Gemini-class planning agent and neither has the custom tool builder. Flow is the only all-in-one pipeline that goes from concept to output without switching apps. Google's DeepMind team framed the launch simply: video meet audio, our leading video generation model designed to empower filmmakers and storytellers. That quote comes from the official VO page, and it captures what makes Flow different from everything else on the market right now. A filmmaker in the Flow Sessions program described it this way: Flow lets me go from storyboard to finished scene in the same session. The Gemini agent actually remembers what you are going for. It is not just autocomplete, it is a collaborator. That kind of session memory across a creative project is genuinely new. Primordial Soup, the production venture backed by Darren Aronofsky, called VO 3.1 the first time AI video has felt production ready rather than demo ready. When a filmmaker with that pedigree signs on as a partner, it means something beyond a typical tech partnership announcement. Who is Flow actually built for? Independent filmmakers who need to move from concept to rough cut without a production crew, music video directors working with tight budgets, brand content creators who need high production visuals on a fast turnaround, and AI native artists who want to push what the medium can do. If you are shipping short form video content at volume, this is your tool. When should you skip it? If you need clips longer than 8 seconds, Flow is not your answer yet. If you need professional color grading, multi-track audio mixing, or the kind of collaborative review workflow an agency needs, it is too early. And if your budget is 0 and 50 credits a day is not enough, the paid tiers are real costs you need to factor. The verdict. Google Flow is the most complete AI creative pipeline available right now for short-form video. The Gemini planning agent and the custom tool builder push it past pure generation tools. The free tier is a genuine on-ramp. The 1999 Pro tier is worth it for working creators. The only real friction is the credit cap and the 8-second clip limit. Both will move as the platform matures. Try Google Flow free at labs.google/fx/tools/flow. Start with the free tier, build one thing, and see if the Gemini agent changes how you think about the creative process. If it does, the Pro tier pays for itself in hours saved. Links in the description.